Hey everyone, welcome back to the Concierge Academy. I'm Kelly Schaefer. I'm the author of the Concierge Life book and the creator of the Concierge Academy, which is coaching for concierge businesses. So if you're running a concierge business or you're thinking about starting one, today's video is a must watch. So today we're going to be tackling a common issue for concierge business owners, and that is one of the things you do in the very beginning, and that is getting insurance. So let's break down the challenges that I see a lot of people face trying to get insurance and what you can actually do proactively to overcome them. So first off, what is concierge insurance? Simply put, it's an insurance policy designed to protect you and your business from various risks. Whether you're managing travel arrangements, event planning, personal shopping, running errands, organizing homes, or helping seniors, maybe even driving seniors, having the right coverage can save you from potential financial issues down the line. Now, of course, we never want to need insurance, just like we never want to use our car insurance or want to use our homeowner's insurance. But having insurance is our protection for things that could possibly go wrong. So now you might be wondering, why do I need insurance for my concierge business? Here's a few key reasons. Number one is liability protection. So if a client gets injured, if you work with seniors and a client gets injured, or you're driving people, or somebody gets hurt while using your services, or if you accidentally drop something, break something, damage their property, liability insurance can help cover some of those legal fees and damages. And property coverage. So if you have office equipment or supplies, property insurance can protect you against theft, fire, or other disasters. But getting insurance for your concierge business can often be super, super challenging. I see it happen all the time. People come to me and they tell me, I've been trying for 6 months. I haven't gotten insurance. Other people can get it in a month. Other people can't for 6 months. And I'm going to deep dive into why that is so that you really have a better understanding. And again, I'm going to give you solutions that you can use to help you navigate this. But getting insurance for a concierge business can often be challenging. One of the major hurdles is the nature of our industry. So many insurance providers are unfamiliar with concierge services, which is why you may struggle to get coverage, because it often leads them to confusion about what coverage is necessary. Biggest reason you'll struggle with getting the right insurance is because the concierge industry, as of the recording of this in 2024, our industry still lacks a standard NAICS code. Most other businesses out there have a standard code. Insurance companies, they plop that code in and you get insurance and you get a quote. Because of the complexity of the concierge industry and the variety, we still don't have a code. So that this means that when you approach insurance companies, they don't have a clear category for your business. So this really makes it harder for them to assess risk and help provide appropriate coverage. So now that we know why insurance is important and what the biggest issue is, here are some challenges you might face when you're trying to get insurance for your business, along with some simple solutions. Challenge number one. Insurers don't understand concierge services. Solution: when talking to your provider, clearly explain to them what your services include and what you don't include. You want to use simple terms and examples to help them understand your business better. When I first started my business, I said things like, okay, so for example, if I am driving my car and I have a client's $2,000 suit and the $2,000 suit flies out the window, am I covered? Or if I'm in a client's home and I'm organizing something and I accidentally bump into a $5,000 vase and it breaks on the ground, am I covered? So these were literally, I made a list of questions that I could actually ask my insurance provider to help them decide what coverage was going to help me the most and what coverage I needed the most. So the second challenge that you're going to face is limited insurance options. Because Most people don't know how to insure us. There are some people out there that will insure you. And because there are not a lot of options out there, I just don't want you to settle for the first quote that you get. So shop around and make sure that you're comparing different providers to find the best coverage and the best rates for the needs that you have for your particular business. High premiums. That's the third challenge, high premiums. So you can always ask about discounts. The same thing happened when I was getting my insurance. I asked them to bundle together different insurances. And when I bundled, I actually got a discount compared to if I bought separate different policies. So you can ask about discounts. Many insurance providers will give you discounts if you're bundling policies or if you have really good claims history. So that comes into play. The claims history will come into play more when you've been in business, year after year after year. I also want to let you know up front that you will expect to pay around $800 to $1,000 for your coverage for a year, but it will cost you more and sometimes significantly more if you are driving humans, pets, or animals of any kind in your vehicle. So keep that in mind when you're deciding up front what type of services that you want to offer. A lot of people want to help seniors, but they don't want to incur the cost that is associated with driving seniors. So you can start your business and help seniors without physically driving them and get a good track record. And then you can pivot and offer driving later on once you've established some business credit and some good claims history so that you can then seek out an added policy for driving. Other people will get that right away. Other people decide to hold off on it. Whatever you decide, just make the decision that's right for you. Just don't hold off starting something because you have this grand vision of what it might look like later on. The fourth challenge is this NAICS code confusion. The solution: if insurers, when you go to insurance brokers or you go to insurance companies, if they are unsure about your category, again, you want to provide them with some detailed descriptions of your services so it helps them assess your risk, and then they can offer a policy that is most best aligned for the coverage that you need. Also consider too, when you're speaking to insurance providers, if you aren't doing a lot of volume of clients in the beginning, you can have that conversation with them too and just be like, oh, I don't think I'll be, working more than 20 hours a week, or I won't be offering this service a lot. Because sometimes different services that you offer can trigger higher premiums, kind of like with the driving. And if you know that you're only doing it part-time, that might impact and might be able to bring down your policy premium. But that's why you have to ask the experts about that. And then the fifth challenge is time-consuming research. It will take you time. So the solution is to save time doing all this research yourself. Consider using an insurance broker, or you can get resources like I offer the Concierge Starter Kit. In the Concierge Starter Kit, it's designed to help you navigate some of these hurdles and find the right insurance for your business. Plus, I also have some insurance brokers who have successfully insured people in the industry in the past, and I have all that as part of the Starter Kit. Okay, my friends, thanks for tuning in today. I hope these tips help you tackle the challenges of getting insurance for your business. And remember that understanding your needs for the services that you're going to offer and being proactive can make a huge, huge difference. And do not give up when you feel like you're stuck figuring this out. I promise you, it's not just you. That is why I'm making this video. I've made multiple videos on insurance, but I needed to make another video because I know people are facing this issue and I don't want you to give up. And of course, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on growing your business. And if you want to take advantage of the Concierge Starter Kit, I'm going to drop a link to that below. It's packed with resources to help you navigate the insurance process and a whole lot more. All right, my friends, until next time, Bye for now.